Hi everyone, this is Ms. Marks. I'm the Ruby history teacher, and I'm here to tell you about your asynchronous work. Our asynchronous work in history class will always be focused on current events, and each week you will choose and read an article on Newsela that interests you, and then you'll share what you learned on a discussion board. So if you're starting here, there are kind of 4 steps to follow. The first step says open the article of the week directions, criteria, and samples. There's a lot of text on this page. That's why I wanted to make this screencast to start going through it with you. I just read that overview, so now we'll go into the directions. It says go to Newsela and choose an article that interests you. Don't choose an article that's boring to you. Look for something that you can really kind of get into here. You're going to read the article carefully. Remember, Newsela has different features you can use. You can change the reading level. You can have the text read aloud. Use those features. Then you're going to write a paragraph. And you might be thinking, whoa, I'm going to write a paragraph every week. But yeah, you are, and you can do it. And we're going to tell you exactly what needs to be in the paragraph. And this is the paragraph that you're going to share on the Schoology discussion. There are kind of 5 things you need to include, and I'm going to show you at the end an example. But you're going to want to have the title, what the article is about. We're suggesting a 1-sentence summary. Make sure that someone who hasn't read your article will be able to really understand this summary. 3 important facts from the article. 1 thing that surprised you or a question you still have. And then an answer to why, who cares? Why is this topic important? Does it matter to you, to your community, to your country, to the world? Try to make some sort of personal connection to this topic. After you post, you'll be able to see your classmates' posts. You may need to actually refresh the page to see new posts, especially if you are sharing your paragraph earlier in the day. We're giving you some responses you can use. You could write a comment. This is important because. This is interesting because. You could write a connection to something you already know about, like this reminds me of, or this is similar to. You could write a question. Why did? Do you think? You could write how your thinking has changed. I used to think blank, but now I think blank. We're looking for something more than, great work, Bobby. We're really looking for you to add on to the person's thinking, to build a discussion, to really add something to it. And you want to check your writing to make sure it meets our criteria for success before posting. So you want to make sure it has all the required parts. Again, the required parts are here. Clear and detailed. Someone who hasn't read your article will be able to understand. You want to make sure you're responding to a classmate in a respectful and thoughtful way. And since you're writing a paragraph, it must be in complete sentences with capitalization, grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Now, at the bottom of this document, we gave you 3 things. 1, we gave you sentence starters. You could actually copy this, paste it into the comment, and write your answers. Delete the ... and write your answer there. That would be totally fine. That would help you meet the criteria. If that's where you're at, do that. I gave you a sample paragraph post about an article I read called The Humble History of Pumpkin Pie. So you can see kind of the length and detail that we're looking for. This would be a post that meets the criteria. And here's a sample response. So we're really giving you all of the tools that you need here to be successful on this assignment. You can see that it will be graded. Your grade will be based on the paragraph that you post, and your response to your classmate. Now, we're just using a really simple 2-point, either meets or not yet. But keep in mind, if you don't meet the criteria on your paragraph or on your response to your classmate, the expectation will be that you fix it during an extension or on your own time. So I'm really going to encourage all 7th grade students to use the criteria, use the samples, use the directions to meet the criteria the first time. Again, this is supposed to take you about 45 minutes, and I think that we've given you the right amount to do during that time. Choosing and reading an article will maybe take you 10 to 15 minutes, and writing the paragraph will maybe take you 15 to 20 minutes. So I think that you can all really accomplish this within the 45 minutes, We're here to help you. We hope this is clear, and we so look forward to seeing what you come up with on the discussion board. Have a great day. Bye.